That's okay. Hang on. Oh, I don't like it. It's pushing my head back.
Is that right?
No, I don't have it at all.
It doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to get any big lumps off it. Mess with the level bit.
Excuse me. Oh, this away. Georgian Rectory does that, as always.
I don't think today we'll actually be getting right into those edges, but
Oh, look how handsome you are. Look how wonderful you are. Look how handsome this face
anyway,
is.
let's just go on a quick vacuum.
Look how handsome this face is. Look how handsome this face is. Look how wonderful this face is.
I was promised a vacuum with these sounds. Oh, there it is.
Oh, actually, the next bit's going to go under the door, isn't it? And it's going to go into there.
Yeah,
So we could just ignore that for now.
well that's what I was thinking. And then the next piece can go inside. Have a door. Yeah, the instructions just say 2 rectangles of glue. Yep, perfect. Now, one thing that's a real pain here is when you put the screws in, there's a good chance of hitting the screws underneath. You're just going to have to.
Oh, right, okay.
You don't really know exactly where they are, so it's just something you've got to deal with it as and when it happens. In theory,
Oh, my darling, you're so gorgeous.
in theory, these screws should be the easiest to use. These are the self-tapping ones. They cut their own.
Did you not want me to use the? Did you not? Oh, I see. Yeah.
Well, if these work, then we'll just stick with these because
okay.
they should
Well, I'll
be
try
used as
it.
such.
You know, I'm not the best at this. Oh, the screw is somewhere along here. I'm just gonna have to hope that I don't.
You'll know if you hit it. And it's not the end of the world. Just take it out.
Okay. Come on, darling. Off. That's it.
I'm just going to grab the laser quickly. Got a bit of a weird situation down there. The 2 edges of the boards aren't straight and they're not forming a nice straight line when they push together.
Possibly. Oh.
There we go.
So we're staggering them, are we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The reason is you never want kind of 4 corners to meet all together. You
Oh, okay. Are you ready for me to glue?
Yeah. You get something slightly uneven.
Oh, Cole, definitely not. 1,000 times no.
First, the screw is shit. Just find that one.
Oh yeah, that's way easier.
I think this is the easier process.
Yeah. Yeah, he's perfect. Yeah.
You can't see the tiny detail. Yes, I think this is a better process.
Yeah, it's a bit quicker. Am I still using the rubber screws?
Yeah, we'll just do it. We'll just follow the laser. There's loads of gaps and weirdness. Doesn't matter though. We'll go with what the laser says.
Hello.
I do have a pencil. I don't have a pencil. I really don't know why I'm worrying so much about precision here. It doesn't actually
It
matter
doesn't,
very
does
much.
it? No.
But
No. Oh God, Cole. No, not cool, Cole. Okay, can you grab one of those wipes?
has he got one in his pocket?
Yeah, he has. All right, babe. It's all right. No one's angry. Well, we are. I'm a little bit angry, but. All right, babe. You're all right. I know you're not in trouble.
He's a
Well,
bit
you
of a-
are a little bit. There we go now, Flower. It's okay. Let's just maybe keep you. Oh no. Oh my God. What are we gonna do with you? This is a nightmare. Maybe we need to just literally, whoever's not gluing is just supervising Cole. Come on, Flower, come away.
That'll do.
It's very fractious today. What's the time? Taking a walk or something.
Put some force behind it without worrying.
I'm guessing it doesn't matter, but it slightly kills me that the writing's upside down on that one.
You won't see it once the tiles are down.
Well, I think he's pretty unhappy that we had to frantically scrub at his sweet little hand, you know. No, you didn't time that very well, did you?
You're the gluer, so if you're not ready, then
We can do a couple
job
more.
stops now.
Oh, sorry about all that unpleasantness before, my darling.
Let's hope so. I hope I'm not making our job more difficult by unboxing this. Here we go.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, I love the colour. I love it even more than what it looked like in the swatch.
Oh, there is a little lip at the front. It's not much. Doesn't know how it is. It's fine holding it to the back, but holding
It's not crazy though. I mean.
or one hand underneath the front. That'd be easier.
Tip it towards you. Let's see if we can grab it underneath.
I think underneath is the way to go. Oh, there's a lip.
Oh my God. That's so heavy. Okay.
This is the part that really tests the marriage.
Yeah.
There's no way you can pick it up first. I'm gonna I'm gonna have to pick it up first, really.
Okay.
No, there's
Oh
no way
yeah, of course.
underneath it.
Right, got it?
Yeah, your eye just needs to be on the ball, though.
Oh God. Hang on. Oh, I don't like it. It's pushing my head back. No, put it down. I need to get it a different way.
I can't really put it forward now.
Oh God.
Is that right?
No, I don't have it at all. Okay. I just, you know, I'm being a bit of a girl and being a bit slow, but I just don't want to drop it. Hang on, let me grab it then. Oh my God, it's so heavy. I don't know if I can do this. Okay, let's just go for it.
You can put it down in time.
I've got to hold it in. Sorry, it's incredibly heavy. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, down. Well, mine down, you need to come out.
You good?
Okay, yep. Here it is, we finally got it up here. That is a heavy vanity unit. But yeah, we've just got to adjust it slightly to make sure it's in the middle of the wall. Somehow it looks really small in here. I was expecting it to take up a lot more space. And then now you can see how the pipes come up through this gap down the back. And we'll be able to get all of that plumbed in, hopefully.
The light fittings have arrived for the drawing room, but seeing them has made me realise I've painted the sunflower completely the wrong shade of gold. The wall lights are this lighter shade of gold from Laura Ashley. They've got these beautiful birds on them. And the chandelier was an antique that we got cheap from an auction house. And it's also a similar shade of gold. I've now ordered some more gilding wax in the correct shade of gold. I didn't even know there were this many different shades of gold until I actually started looking at it. But that was the one before, and this is the one I'm gonna repaint it in. So my job for today is to completely repaint that sunflower using the slightly lighter, more muted shade of gold. Now you're about to witness the least dramatic transformation of a sunflower that you've ever seen. The difference on camera is quite subtle, but just look how a slight change in the light completely changes the colour of the ceiling paint. In some frames it's blue, in other frames it's green. That's all done, and while the difference is really subtle, I'm actually really pleased with it. It's a really good match for the colour of the chandelier and the wall lights now.
Well, thank you very much for bringing it here.
That's fine. I did put the air in the tyres as well. Just
Oh, did you? Brilliant, thank you.
Make it a bit easier.
So, and interestingly,
It's neat.
it will be, I hope.
No, we all like projects.
Yeah, I've got one now.
They
So is
got
this
one
running?
No,
No.
that's my job. I'm going to try and get it running today,
When
actually.
I turned the key this morning,
Yeah.
it all lit up.
Oh, did it?
So
yeah, that's something
that came on. So as soon as I put weight on that, it went off. So that was
great.
I thought I'd just take the cover off this engine.
Yeah.
Clean some of the worst of the muck out of there. While we get the fish pump. The only problem is the fuel tank. Do you think he wants his farm back?
Do you think he bought most of it here?
It seems that way.
I have bought some engine cleaner with me as well, so we can put some of that on.
Okay. We've given it a good clean now, so the next step will be to see if we can get the engine running. We've left the battery on charge in the house, so hopefully when we plug that back in, it will burst into life, but we'll see.
Okay. Yeah, it looks okay. Get that.
That is a special kind of baffling.
It is.
Thanks for sticking with us through this slightly chaotic video. As always, please subscribe for future updates. We've got lots of exciting projects coming up. See you next time.